Well, here are Hannah's little darlings, and they're 4 weeks old now. And full of spunk. Yeah, full of spunk. Especially the little white boy. Oh my goodness. He's got character plus. Loki. He has an opinion about things. He talks all the time. Well, not all the time, but frequently. And then on the left, you've got Lexi, and on the right, Liberty. They're just raring to go. Aren't you? Aren't you, little babies? Huh? Are you raring to go? Listen to him. See, he talks. Shall I put a little toy in there? Huh? What do you think? Do you want a little toy? How about some other toys? Here's some more. Do you want some more toys? Oh, Hannah's going to go in there. Hi, Hannah. Come on, Hannah. Come here with Mommy. Come on. Come on, sweet baby. You can see they've got their potty park in there now. I think I had that in last week, though. And they're crawling over to it. Oh my goodness, listen to Eliza's puppies. One sticking his little paw through the kennel.
Look at Hannah sitting in the chair.
Oh, good job, Hannah. Hannah thinks that she should take care of all the babies. She was like looking into all the kennels because the babies are talking in there. Go check out your babies now, huh? They're all going to want a nurse. Aww.
Now she's taking care of them.
Lexi was like kissing her mommy. What do you think of those toys, Lexi? Huh? What do you think? Do those look fun? Here comes Loki. Get in on the fun, Loki. Oh, that's Liberty making that noise. Hey, get all your spunk out so that when I put you on the table to take pictures, you'll be still. That would be really great. You know, Loki likes playing with that toy, doesn't he? And we got Lexi and Liberty playing with each other. Come on, Mama. Come on, Hannah. Come on, my girl. Come on. Come see Mommy. Come on. Hannah's my baby. Whenever Mike lets her out of her kennel to go potty, she runs in and finds me. This morning she jumped up on the bed and gave me kisses. Did you trim Hannah's puppy's nails yesterday, Mike, or was it Eliza's?
Did I do what?
Trim Hannah's puppy's nails? Or was it Eliza's?
Elisa's.
Okay. We need to trim Hannah's puppies because I just saw Lexi get her little nail caught in the towel.
Elisa wants in with her puppy. All right, well there you have Hannah's beautiful spunky little puppies, 4 weeks old.